What's up YouTube, Kainu back here again for another video. Today I'm going to show you how to delete duplicate favorites in Microsoft Edge. Without further ado, get into it. Alright, so here we are in Microsoft Edge. All you're going to do is come up to the three dots in the top right and then click on favorites. Once you click on favorites, click on the three dots again and then go to remove duplicate favorites. Go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, remove duplicate favorites. Duplicates of folders and pages you've saved as favorites will be removed, and then the changes will cross your signed in devices. You'll have a chance to review and confirm. So go ahead and click on remove. And then if you do have duplicate favorites, they're going to pop up right here and you can confirm which ones you want to delete. Me personally, this is a pretty fresh account, so I don't have any duplicates. But as you can see at the top, it says no duplicate favorites were removed because I don't personally have any, but it's going to pop up. It's going to show your duplicate favorites, and then you just click and check whichever ones you want to get rid of. And then it does have a little bit of a automated system. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, drop them down in the comment section. Make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget, take it easy.